Either-or fallacy. When a person says that there are just two choices when there are actually more.
All right, I'd like to call this meeting of the PTA to diddly order, and let's see if we can't put an end to this strike fuss, huh? Mrs. Krabappel, why don't you begin?
Boo!
Oh, boo yourself. Our demands are simple. A small cost of living increase and some better equipment and supplies for your children.
Oh, that's reasonable. Give it to him.
Yeah, in a dream world, we have a very tight budget. To do what she's asking, we'd have to raise taxes.
Way too high as they are now. Taxes, man.
It's your children's future.
Children are important. Yes.
It'll cost you.
Go to taxes. Right. God, you're gonna raise taxes.
Come on.
All right, that's a good point. Yes. I'm not paying the taxes.
That means money.
The finger thing means the taxes.
Well, I guess this is a case where we'll have to agree to disagree.
I don't agree to that.
Neither do I.
In this clip, Principal Skinner suggests that the only way to increase teachers' salaries and buy new school supplies is to raise taxes. While such a proposal might be accomplished by raising taxes, there is the possibility that other parts of the budget could be adjusted to make room for the proposed spending. By making the debate seem like a choice between two extremes and refusing to find a compromise, Principal Skinner and Mrs. Krabappel both commit the either-or fallacy. Subscribe to Colburn Classroom and be on the lookout for new videos.